Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket sway. Knowing how to do a basket already would be useful, knowing how to do a sway already would be useful. Links in the description below, so if you want to go back and have a look at those, it's going to be easy for you to find the clips. But a basket sway looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. The hand change on the way out is unnecessary. It's just a question of whether you need whichever hand for the next move, and in this case I did it just so I was still looking at the camera. Okay, so let's break it down. It goes like a basket to start with, so we go back, 2 hands, wrap into the basket, we sway the lady back, so twisting the lady out. We're going to be using that hand at the front in an important way in a second. So what we're going to do is, as we bring the lady forwards, we're going to add rotation to the lady's left. We're going to take the hand that is in our left, letting go with the right to start with, transfer it into the right, keep the lady turning, keep the lady moving forwards, recollect, lady's off with the spare hand, and what happens is we're into a sway position but with the lady going forwards. So then we can do the sway back and finish as a standard sway. Send the lady away, face, return and back. Fast or slow exit, both are going to work. So let's do it from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back, 1, wrap, 2, twist out, 3, turning with the hand change, 4, into the step forwards, 5, then we sway the lady back, 6, send the lady out, 7, facing 8, return 1 and back 2. Obviously you could do, as I say, the fast or slow timing, so you might be a count different to that. Let's do it. 5, 6, a basket, sway, we go, a back, wrap, twist, turn, forwards, backwards, away, look, return and back. And that is that. Hope you like it. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Thank you everyone who does that. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. Go on, hit the subscribe button. And the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up will be to a music video, which will be a tune that's good to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.